Okay, welcome to today's video. Before we started the video, I figured I'd do a quick mail time. My name is Sean, and this is NOVATazz. Okay, so I've gotten quite a bit of mail over the last little bit, and I figured it's about time I, share what I got. So first up, I want to do a shout out to my friend Russ over at R Garage. He had sent me his shop YouTube sticker, and he wrote me a little note. He says, Sean, thanks for watching the channel and supporting me in what I am doing on my Camaro project. Looking forward to seeing some progress on my cars, which will be coming soon. Now, he is working on, I do believe, a 72 Camaro he is calling Project Overkill. I have followed this build from the beginning, not from the time he started filming it, but when I found him, I went all the way back to the beginning and watched every single one of his videos. There's definitely a wealth of knowledge, and the things that he has gone through and either, messed up on and then recovered, there's a lot of learning involved in watching his videos. I've learned quite a bit, and I really do enjoy every time he puts out a video. I will also be sending him one of my new stickers. If you guys want one of these stickers, let me know. If you have a sticker to trade, I will gladly trade them with you. If not, I do believe I will have these stickers up on my Teespring account, which will be the first link in the description below, where you can also find my hoodies and t-shirts. That one is a Jean Grey t-shirt. Well, actually, it's a Jean Grey hoodie. But I do have several different ones. I have the one from the Nova, and I have one with both the cars on it at once, and I'm thinking about doing a design similar to this one. So, if you would like any of that stuff, it will be in this first link down below. R, thank you for the sticker. I will find a place to start putting these. If you have a channel and you have a shop sticker and you watch my channel, let me know and I will trade you my sticker in place of yours. If I watch your channel and I don't get a response from you from this video, I will be reaching out to you to get a sticker from you guys. I do have quite a bit of them, so if I run out, I'll get more. So be sure to check out R and his channel with Project Overkill, his 72 Camaro. I do believe it's a 72. If I'm wrong, Russ, correct me. He is definitely enjoyable to watch. He is also working with a new company that does custom bracketry and hinges and things of that nature. I'm definitely going to be checking them out for at least my Trans Am build, if not the Nova as well. So if you get a chance, go check them out. I will put their link in below either. That is not a paid advertisement. I just like their product. Next we have do believe this is F-Body Metalworks. If I'm wrong, I will put the actual name down below, but I have gotten plenty of stuff from them before. Actually, right here, it is F-Body Metal Visions. Sorry. This is also another great company. They have not just Firebird stuff, but Camaro stuff. They have team stuff if you're into football and things like that. He sent me his newest keychain. I think it goes this way, if you can see that. It is the front end of a fourth gen Trans Am. This would be the Ram Air style. It's definitely going on my keychains. He's also the one that sent me my large wall sign of the late second gen Firebird. Not this one, but the one with the multi feathers. And a few other things. You can search my videos. I do have other stuff from his product. His name is Kelly West, and he does an awesome project. I will put a link to the description of this product in my description below. Alright, let's see, what else do I got? Covered the stickers. Truck content. This I got from InShane Designs. This is the tattered flag window decal. This will be going up on the back of the truck along with my logo, and I'm not sure quite what else just yet, but I have some plans for that truck, which I am working on getting the actual designs on paper, along with the designs for the Nova and the Trans Am. I have picked up drawing again, and I'm really curious as to how these are going to turn out. So if you haven't followed my Instagram account, I will be posting updates on that stuff on my Instagram. If you guys want to see some time lapse of me drawing, let me know down in the comments and I'll see what I can do. I'm not quite sure I'll have the time to be able to sit down and draw out a full picture on camera or not. We will see in the upcomings. But yeah, definitely check out my Instagram. I have a lot more content on there that is not necessarily in the videos. So again, InShane Designs tattered flag will be going on the truck when it gets back on the road. And finally, but not least, I got some parts for the Nova in. Now, these are actually for the vinyl top for your Novas. This is the connection piece that goes from the back window to the side quarter windows. And this gives you a kind of direction I want to go with my car. I am looking to put the full vinyl top on the top of the Nova and go with a two-tone look. I will probably go more into detail of where I'm going with that car when I start that build and get that car in the shop. But this is just a little teaser hint. I know a lot of people don't like the vinyl tops, but I want to go in a different direction. I don't want to be like the other Novas I see out there. I want to keep the vinyl top. I kind of think that it's going to look nice when I'm done with it. Those of you who know me know where I'm going with this car, and I've gotten a lot of good positive feedback from what I'm thinking about doing. So we'll see where I get when we get there. That's it I think I have for mail time. If you do have something you would like to send me or a product you want me to look at, you can either send me a message down in the comments below and I will get in touch with you. Alright, well, let's get back onto the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button for me. And I'll see you in a second.